All right, y'all. I'm back at you with another video. I'm just out here doing a little shopping, a little looking around. Y'all see my old Chevy 1500 Trail Boss Z71 6.2 liter right here. I'm thinking about upgrading it, maybe doing the Denali 2500 or maybe the Denali Dually. I don't know. Y'all comment down in the comments and tell me what you think. You know, my old truck right here, she 2022 model Z71. Y'all see it. 4-inch lift on it. We contemplating. I don't know. Contemplating should I upgrade or should I keep what I got? Just give me your opinion. Me, I'm kind of torn between these over here. This Denali 2500, but I also like the Denali 3500. Now let me remind you, I had a Dually Ford F450. I got tired of driving a big truck, but I guess you got so used to it, you kind of want that feeling back again. I don't know, but I do like this Denali 2500 Ultimate right here. This thing is clean, and I think if I did go with one, I would go with this color. This thing's pretty sharp right here. This is what I'm looking at. But like I say, I don't know. I mean, I'm happy with my pickup, but I kind of want to do something different. Yeah, kind of. Now I'm kind of torn between this grill that comes on the Ultimate. It's like a black chrome grill that comes on the Ultimate. Now, I do like the color-coded fender trims there. That I do like. But I don't know. Tell me what y'all think. Like I say, if my old truck is right here. I say old truck, but it ain't an old truck. It's a 22 model. She ain't even got 30,000 miles on her. But she lifted 20-inch 35s on it. Fuel wheels, as you see in there. The ready lift. But now I do like this Dually over here. It's 3500 Dually right here. I do like this one, but I don't think I'm gonna go back with black now. That black, she's the prettiest thing on the street when she's clean, but boy, is she hard to keep clean. But like I say, that gray that I showed you on that 2500, I like that. Got another gray over here, 2500 AT4. It's a good looking truck. Once again, I guess it's something about that GMC when it's got that big shiny chrome grille in front of it. That thing stands out. Really does. Really does. I don't know. Y'all tell me what you think. There's another one. Another one in that gray I like. Ultimate. I don't know. But look at that grill. And then look at this grill. Oh, man. Yeah. I mean, they both look good, but something about that big chrome grill in the front does stand out on it versus that black chrome grill. Got a couple of Dualies here. Now this one's not black. It's kind of like I don't know, it's a cross between a dark charcoal and a midnight blue. Pretty nice. Very nice. Can't get down in between there to get y'all a good shot of the side of it, but you know what they look like. Yeah, it's the decision between this big chrome grill or that black chrome grill. Now here's one I can get you a full shot of. Now this is a black one. It is clean, but man, it's hard for me to keep the one I got clean and black. And this is a much bigger truck, so that means more work for me. More work on trying to keep this thing clean. I like it though. I do like it. Y'all tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. They got, I don't know if y'all done seen any of these. They got some of these Hummer EVs out here. Got a couple of them. Here's one right here. Pretty sweet looking vehicle. Nah, I've had a Hummer before. I don't know. I said I would probably never go back to one. But I had the H2, so it was a much bigger one. This one right here is a little more manageable. But I don't know how I feel about that fully electric one. Here's one with a matte color on it that's looking really, really nice. It's a good looking thing. Good looking. Oh man, I can get y'all a shot up there in the inside. I don't know if you can see that. You got that white interior in there. Okay. Yeah, that thing's pretty nice. Nah, but a couple of more of them here. Hummer EVs. Now they got the Denali EVs over here. GMC Sahara EVs. This is different. I don't know how I feel about it though. It looks like a cross between a full size and a mid-size truck. It's different. That it is. Y'all tell me what y'all think about here's one with the sticker. Let's get a look at what this sticker price is on this thing. This thing has a sticker price of $99,000. Yep. I don't know how I feel about that. But that's not what I came up here to look at. I just thought I'd give y'all a peep at one of these because they had them out here. Let y'all see. If you're interested in one, they're going for $99,000. Might as well gonna call that an even 100. It's a khaki brown, cactus, army brown. I don't know. It's kind of a nice looking color with the black. The black with it. It looks pretty. Okay, here's one of the Hummer EVs with the sticker in it. Let's see what this thing is going for. Well, that one is a whole 101,000. Yep. Y'all see it? Yep. A whole 100 grand. Yeah. And she'll be sitting right here too. Yeah. I do like this dually here. I do like this. Of course, this thing is about 97,000. I mean, hey, ain't but a couple of dollars from the 100 grand, but man, you do feel much better when you got a whole lot of truck. Now, some people might say, why you gotta have all that truck? Why do you gotta have all that truck if you're not using it? Well, you know, I also have a trucking business. I have 18-wheelers, so I use that big truck. This truck right here, well, my philosophy is I'd rather have more truck than I need than need more truck than I have. Y'all tell me what you think of that. Should I go dually? Or should I go 2,500? I don't know. You know, we just out here. Or should I just keep what I got? Either way, I'll be happy. I think I'm supposed to be over here looking for a car for my sister-in-law. But it's all right. I thought I'd get a look at these dualies, kind of make a decision from there. What I wanted to do, if I even wanted to do anything. I don't know. Y'all see something y'all like? Comment down there. Tell me what you like. Maybe you might like the same thing I like. I know these colors are all the same. It's pretty much white and gray. White, gray, and black. White, gray, and black. They got a lot of white, gray, and black ones. But let's see. Well, here's a red one here. It's pretty red, but I don't. No, that's not the color for me there. He's bringing me back over here. He's bringing me back over here to my truck. She's all blacked out. Black everything. Black on the inside, black on the outside, black on the wheels. And I get in there. Well, of course, I'm black too. Once again, let's get a look at this charcoal gray. This is the color I like. If I went with the 3,500 or the 2,500, it would definitely be this color. I guess the decision would be, do you want to go with the Ultimate Denali or just the regular Denali? And once again, the Ultimate has this black chrome monoplated grill. It goes real well on this charcoal. It kind of sticks out a little bit more on the other colors. It goes real well on this charcoal. Or do you want to go with the big chrome grill? I'm really digging this one right here. Really don't need a dually. Like I say, I had one before. I used it every now and then for what it was, but not really. So, y'all tell me what you think. Or do you want to go with something like this? This is a Denali with the chrome grill. Denali 3,500 with the chrome grill. Yeah, I like that. They got a couple of lifted trucks out here. A couple of Saharas lifted. So here's a red one right here. Lifted on 22s. I don't know. Y'all comment down there and let me know. Hey, what's going on, y'all? I know earlier I was talking about the trucks over there, the GMC Saharas, and the between the 2,500 and 3,500 dually, between the Ultimate or just a regular the Ultimate Denali or just a regular Denali. And then I, gave y'all a glimpse of my pickup. You know, I'll let you see the outside, but I'm gonna give you a look at the inside. You know, see how we look here at the inside. Yeah, she still look brand new. I don't know. Y'all tell me, should I upgrade or should I just keep what I got? Sunroof there. Yeah, pretty much those dualies pretty much look just like this truck in the inside. May have a little more room, but you know, you see, she's pretty loaded. So I don't know. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. You know, right now, definitely upgrading to the dually or the 2500. It's definitely not a need. It's just a want. It's just a want. It's definitely not a need. Y'all get a look at it on the outside here. It's a 2022 Chevy 1500 Trail Boss Z71 package. All blacked out. Factory 2-inch lift, and then I added an additional 2-inch ready lift on it. The 35 series Nitto grapplers. The fuel wheels. Yeah, she holds her own. Y'all comment down there and tell me, should I upgrade or should I just keep what I got? All right, y'all. On that last video, I asked y'all to help me out to make a decision on should I go with 2500, 3500. Should I go with the Ultimate with the black chrome grille or the Denali with the chrome grille? Well, we're taking delivery today. Decided to go with the charcoal gray here. Denali with the chrome, with the big chrome grille in the front. Get a look at that grille there. Yeah, I seem to think that big chrome grille looks a whole lot better. But the other one looks good too. But this is what I decided to go with. We're picking it up today. There she is. Yeah. All right, y'all comment down in the comments. Tell me what you think. Get a look at the inside there. Alrighty. Those of y'all that did give me input and said go with this instead of the dually, I appreciate you. I think we made a good choice here. Y'all tell me what you think. Yeah, y'all tell me what you think. Okay. I think that the choice really fell pretty much on that grill in the front versus the blacked out grill. All right.